it's me again. You guys now have everything you need to make this fundraiser successful. I was amazed at how many people wanted to help my group. So to make sure you don't miss anyone, you created a contact list. Who could be on that list? Well, I put my grandma, aunts, uncles, neighbors, people who work at my school, friends of my parents, parents of my friends, businesses I go to, my hairdresser, church, my dance studio, people at my little brother's soccer game, and my mom's book club. Think of all these kinds of people. Trust me, they want to help you succeed and support your fundraiser. Now you have a list. It's the easy part. You just need to ask for the orders. How? Here's what I did. Hi, my name is Madison. Our group is working to earn $5,000 for a class trip. We're asking everyone to order some items. Then I hand them the brochure. Now I remind them that I can accept cash, checks, and even credit cards by scanning the QR code on the brochure. A really easy one was asking my family to take the brochures to work with them. You can get a lot of orders from their co-workers. The secret that I use to reach the top awards level faster is to send emails and share my fundraiser on social media. Century Resources made this really easy for us. Just go to your student portal located at centuryresources.com. Click on My Current Fundraiser and choose I Am a Student. Now enter your group ID and select your group. If you know their email address, choose Email. And follow the instructions to send a pre-written email to all your friends and family. Or you can choose social media and follow the instructions to share a customized link to your store with all your friends and followers. Now, if your grandma and a couple of your aunts live in a different state, like mine, it's even easier. Do what I did. Ask them to go to centuryresources.com. Click Online Web Store and give them your group ID found on your parent letter. Ask them to select your group and type in your name and grade. Then they can start shopping and you get credit for anything they purchase. Century Resources ships the online products directly to their house, and you don't have to worry about collecting money because they paid online. My grandma bought more than I thought she would. Don't forget that Century Resources awards are cumulative. If you sell 99 items, you receive an award from each level. That's right, you get 6 awards worth over $400. I got to take home the RoboClip, 5 pounds of the world's best gummy bears, the smartwatch, the karaoke microphone, the $50 MasterCard, and the Beats by Dre headphones. Every single one. You can do it too. Wow, that's a lot of cool awards. Oh, and I also follow them on Instagram too. You can do it right now, at Century Resources. Each week, they give away an extra 5 pounds of gummy bears to one of their followers, just for fun. My best friend won it last week. It's easier than you think. Make your list. Ask for orders. Share on email and social media. And remember, people want to help you. The success of this fundraiser depends on everyone doing their fair share. Oh, and don't forget to have fun.